Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And for those that are already subscribed, I want to give you a huge thank you for your support. Now on with the video. So this past month I have been studying different artists who use line art in their work. I was mainly interested in the art of manga and anime, such as Vinland Saga by Makoto Yukimura and The Promised Neverland, illustrated by Posuka Demizu. These art styles are quite different from each other, though I learned a lot from studying how they draw the line art. Makoto Yukimura's work, for example, is very detailed and expressive. He utilizes contrast to guide the viewer's eye to the main parts of the artwork and likes to add a lot of detail for more depth and realism in his work. Posuka Demizu uses perspective and composition in her favor. I have especially noticed that she makes the objects and characters that are closer have a thicker outline than the ones further away, which makes the focal point stand out a lot more and creates more depth in her work. Some of her work sometimes reminds me of the fisheye lens, as she tends to curve the background around the character in a sort of circle. When making an artwork, especially an art study, it is easy to just give up when things don't turn out how you want them to. I like to step back from my work for a moment, sometimes ask for help from other artist friends or look up tutorials, then get back to my drawing. I found the tutorial by Marc Brunet especially helpful for studying the anime style faces. I will leave a link in the description if you want to see that tutorial.